Hey guys, if you're looking to bypass your family link and use some application or maybe some games without limitations, I will show you a very quick and easy fix to bypass it and have full access to your games or apps. So there's a very cool feature in your phone that you have, of course depending on the model, but the feature is called Dual Apps. So for example, if you're locked out of your usual app, say you play Roblox and your parents disallow you to play it too much or you want to keep going, you can use Dual Apps to pretty much copy that application and make like a entirely separate copy of it that's not restricted in any way, and then you can just completely avoid it and continue using the app. So for that, you just type in Dual Apps in your pretty much search of settings, go to Dual Apps, and in here you just pretty much choose which app you wish to create the copy for, right? So let me just choose some kind of app. There you go. For example, I have Roblox. Then you just press on this little toggle here. And as you can see, the Dual app is successfully created. And then you go to Roblox. And as you can see, I have this new icon with like a little yellow small icon next to it. You just click on it and you will have a completely fresh slate. In here, as you can see, you'll have to log in, so just use the same account and keep playing. That's pretty much it. Enjoy. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.